To hide photos and videos on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you would like to navigate yourself into the special features, and as you are here, you can find this private save feature. So let's tap on this one, and first of all, you will have to set a privacy password first if you are doing it for the first time or if you didn't previously set up the privacy password. So let's set it up real quick. And here you have to set up your password, which includes 6 digits, but you can also change the password type, and here you can see these different password types, so it's up to you. Select any of these that you'd like to that you prefer, and now set up your password. I will stay with this 6 digits password and set it up real quick. Enter it again, and now you'll have to set up the security question in case if you forgot your password. So here are like 5 presets right here, but you can make your custom question right here with your custom answer, and as you can see, that's pretty much it. Now press this check mark on the top right corner, and it's all set up right now. The privacy password is set up, and you can use it to access the hidden applications or the unlocked applications or this private save, for example. And here, let's now see, we can hide the images and videos, audio files, documents, and some other stuff. So now to hide photos and or videos, we'll have to go for the images and videos, and as you can see, there's nothing at this moment, so we'll have to add anything. So let's press this button to add any files that we'd like to add. As you can see, I only have 2 pictures. I don't actually have any videos on this phone, so like all you simply have to do is just like select all of these files, all of these photos and videos that you'd like to hide, and now press this button to set as private, and now all these files that you have selected are now hidden, are not available in the gallery application. And yeah, let's go back, let's take a look at the photos application, and as you can see, there's nothing at all. So this means that this hidden apps actually feature this private save works perfectly fine. Let's take a look, go for the private save, enter our privacy password, and right here you will be able to find all of these hidden photos, videos, or other files which you have hidden. So that's pretty much it. That's how we can do this.